Hello everyone, welcome to the online class of class 4th EVS. Now I am going to explain lesson 5 and the chapter name is Our Green Cover. In this chapter I am going to explain the following topics. Whose trees are they? Common trees, wild plants, medicinal plants, inedible fruits, domestic plants, and people living in forest. Trees and plants are important for us. They clean the air, give us vegetables and fruits, and shade from the hot sun. Plants are homes to birds and insects. As you know, students, we get so many things from trees and plants like flowers, vegetables, fruits, spices, grain, etc. Plants are homes to birds and insects. As you can see near your house that many birds built their homes in the trunk of trees, as well as insects also. Insects lives in the holes of trees. Whose trees are they? All trees and plants belong to us, and it is our responsibility to take care of them. As you know that we get oxygen from the plants and trees, so it is our responsibility to take good care of plants and trees. The workers of municipal corporation take care of trees that grow along roadsides or in parks. Now you all are thinking that what is the meaning of municipal corporation. So here is the definition of municipal corporation. Municipal corporation are local government bodies that work towards the development of the city. They provide water to the plants and place fences around plants to protect them from stray animals. Now, what is the meaning of stray animals? Animals that are mostly found on the roads and don't have owners. These type of animals are known as stray animals. The local government bodies plant common trees such as neem, peepal, mango, etc. Protected forest or reserved forest are the areas where the felling of the trees means cutting down of trees, cattle grazing means eating grass by cows and bulls, and hunting means killing of animals are punishable by laws. Means if you are going to visit a forest means you cannot cut any tree. Some of the plants in forest reserved are rare endangered species that need care and protection. Now what is the meaning of endangered species? Animals or plants that are found on the earth in a very small numbers because of hunting or other harmful factors. So in this forest these type of plants are protected by government. The Jim Corbett National Park and the Kaziranga National Park are some of the protected forests of India. Means if you will go in this park, you can't cut a tree, you can't kill any animal. Common trees. Common trees means that we can see around us. First, the banyan tree is the national tree of India and it is the most common tree of India. Its leaves look like a fig tree. Next, the neem is a medicinal plant. It is used in the manufacturing of soaps and shampoos. Neem is a medicinal plant that cures many skin disorders. Next, the peepal tree is a semi-evergreen tree and its leaves are heart-shaped. you can see the image of peepal tree on the next slide. Peepal tree is worshipped as it is considered sacred in some religions. Now in this, here you can see banyan tree. Now this is the image of neem tree. I hope you have seen. And now if you will see the leaf of peepal tree, then easily you can see that peepal tree has a heart shaped leaves. The Arjuna tree bears yellow flowers. The tree produces a unique woody fruit that is used as a medicine. Here in the picture you can see that Arjuna tree and its fruit. Arjuna tree grows near rivers and it bears yellow flowers from March to June month only. Next, the Palas tree has bright orange red flowers. It is also known as the flame of the forest. Why it is known as the flame of the forest? Because of the bright orange red flowers. The bale tree or the wood apple tree is also native to India. The large and round fruit of a bale tree is used for making sharbat. You will see bale fruit in summer season. Now here you can see the picture of Palas tree. You can see a very bright red flower, and the next is the wood apple tree. The Gulmohar tree is known for its beautiful flowers. Its canopy spreads. Canopy spreads means the branch of the tree is spread like a roof over a large area and provides dense shade. The flowers of this tree are large and red in color. You can see in the picture that Gulmohar has a red flowers. The Indian gooseberry is a tree that produces a fruit called amla. Means amla is the another name of Indian gooseberry. It has greenish yellow flowers as you can see in the image. Amla has many health benefits and is used to make tonics and hair oil. Amla is very good for the hair as well as health. Wild plants. Wild plants are plants that grow rapidly. Rapidly means faster, तेजी से, and affect the growth of other plants around them. They are considered undesirable and are also called weeds. Means wild plants are known as weeds. Some weeds are used as medicines. Students, all weeds are not useless, but some weeds are useless and some weeds are used as a medicines. Common weeds. Congress grass is a common weed in India. It affects both plants and humans. Means it is not good for the human beings and for plants that grown around it. It slows down the growth of neighboring plants. Next, daisies grow along hillsides or in meadows. They grow rapidly. Again here is rapidly means faster. Even in mild winters and affect the growth of the other plants growing near it. Now you can see that daisies have a white flowers. Water hyacinth can grow up to 1 meter in height, means deep. It grow rapidly and cover the entire surface of the water. In the picture you can see that water hyacinth has covered entire surface of the water. They prevent sunlight and oxygen from entering the water body, hence affecting the plants and animals living in water due to water hyacinth, because it prevents sunlight and oxygen. Quick grass is a creeping grass that rapidly grows. Means it grows along with the ground. Dandelions are known for their bright yellow flowers. They are one of the most common garden weeds. In the picture you can see the bright yellow color of the flowers. Medicinal plants. Some plants are medicinal plants like tulsi, aloe vera, fenugreek, peppermint, etc. Medicinal plant means plants that cure us when we are sick. Tulsi, tulsi, also known as the queen of herbs, is used for curing fever and cold. I hope students you all have seen this plant at your home. Aloe vera is used for healing wounds and burns. Wounds means ghav. Basil is used to provide relief from stomach gas. Brahmi is used for treating ulcer. Ulcer is a skin disease. Now see, first picture aloe vera, second basil, third Brahmi. Inedible fruits. All flowering plants produce fruits, but all fruits cannot be eaten by human beings. Fruits that cannot be eaten are known as inedible fruits. Some of these fruits may look attractive, but eating them can cause poisoning or allergy. Inedible fruits. Here you can see the picture Dhatura and Calotropis. These two are the inedible fruits. They look attractive, but we can't eat them. Domestic plants. Plants that we grow in our homes and gardens are called domestic plants like tulsi, neem, mint, rose. Plants such as mint, tulsi and coriander are used in making food. They add flavor in the food. Some plants are grown to beautify our gardens are called ornamental plants. Means we keep them to beautify our gardens or homes like money plant, bougainvillea, croton. Here you can see the image, students. See, they look very beautiful. People living in forest. There are many tribal groups that live in forest. What is the meaning of tribal? Tribal. The people who live in forest are known as tribal. Many of them depend on forest for the livelihood. Livelihood means to earn the money. Plants provide them clothing, food and shelter. Clothes are made from the cotton plants and houses are made out of wood from trees. Here you can see the cotton plant and they use leaves of trees to cover their body. Now this is the bookwork of lesson 5, page number 41 and 42. A. Give 2 examples of each. Question is common trees. The answer will be neem and peepal. Second, ornamental plants. Answer will be croton, bougainvillea. Third is wild plants. The answer will be Congress grass, water hyacinth. Fourth, medicinal plants. The answer will be tulsi, aloe vera. Fifth, inedible fruits. The answer will be Calotropis and Datura. Filling the blanks with correct answer. First, banyan. Second, gulmohar tree. Third, weeds. Fourth, parks. Fifth, plas. C. Write T for true and F for false. First true, second false, third true, fourth false and fifth false. Thank you, class.